This is the March Agora Mystery Makeup Box. Prepare yourself for some disappointment. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video we have this. So this is the March Agora box and this is the mystery makeup box. Shall we get it open? So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers and we need 300 more subscribers to get there. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, there's going to be a giveaway. I'm going to link a video just here and that's going to show you what's going to be in the giveaway. So that is inside the box. Not a very good view, I do apologise. This was £12.99 on the Agora app. I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box for you if you want to get one yourself. This is not a monthly box. They do come out with a box every month, but it's up to you to go on the app to purchase it. And in the box you get 4 items every month, or you're supposed to. There's been once or twice where I've only got 3, so I think it's been a mistake on their part. But yeah, let's have a look. So we get this, is just a little thank you card, thanking me for a purchase. And can we get a close up? Yeah, let's just have a dig through to see what we've got. Right, so the first product we have is this. So I'm loving the packaging, very bright indeed. This is by the brand Untitled Cosmetics. And it's Cake It water activated liners. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like I've got the shade Warmth, which is a red, which I will not wear for a million years. So the eyeliners I've tried have been black or brown, and I think that's as adventurous as I'm gonna get in anyway. But let's just open it up and have a little peek. I'm not going to touch it because this is probably going to give away. So that's what it looks like inside. So it's very, well, it looks very pigmented. But obviously without trying it, I can't be sure. But yeah, it looks like a nice, decent little product. And if you are really into your makeup, which nearly everybody is nowadays, everybody's more adventurous than I am in any way, I'm sure someone will love that. Guys, so product number 2 is this. We have another eyeliner. Why? So this is by the Eyelash design company. It's Lash FX liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I'm dropping it. This is a black eyeliner, and that is the tip. That actually feels really nice. It's not very black though, is it? No. It's more of like a delicate black. Again, why have we got 2 eyeliners in one box? Why? Third product we have is this. So this is by Makeup 54 and it's a fluid lipstick. It's in the shade Disco Nude and it's Gaynor fluid lipstick. Take your nude lips to the dance floor. The packaging looks like nice, plain, simple. And then that is what the doe looks like. Oh, that's lovely. Oh my god. Should I put it on now? Let's put it on now. So there we go. That is what that looks like. It's a very warm tone brownie shade. It's very nice. It went on very smoothly. It's very buttery and creamy. We'll see what that dries down like. If I look to the side, I'm just looking in my camera screen. Right, do you see how that's sticking? It's one of my pet peeves with liquid lipsticks is that it doesn't feel dry on the lips at all, but it actually looks dry. And then it's already come off the inside of my lips. I think like a nice little glossy lip gloss on there might save that, but I quite like the colour, it's really nice. Fourth and final product we have is this, and it's by the brand Aritzia Beauty. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And it's Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips and nails. It's got vitamin E, rice bran oil in here, and it's fragrance free. Is that not skincare? Is it not? No? Is it because you can put it on your lips, they've put it in here on your lips and nails? I don't know. I would personally class this as skincare. It is sealed. I'm going to leave that sealed. Why am I getting that in a makeup box? Right guys, so that actually went quicker than I thought it would, but this is the Agora March Mystery Makeup Box. What do you think? So personally, my thoughts are not good at all. I have two eyeliners in here. Two. So we've got an ordinary eyeliner, which is black, and which is okay. We have the water activated eyeliner, which is bright shock and red. If you are somebody who doesn't use eyeliner, doesn't like eyeliner, that's two products in the box down straight away that you're not gonna like. I barely use eyeliner because I'm rubbish at it. I'm really disappointed that there's two eyeliners in here. I really am. It's nothing against the brand of eyeliners that are in here at all. It's just because there's two eyeliners in the same box. The lipstick, I like it. I think it looks really nice. It's very dry. That's not a great look. So yeah, I think a gloss is definitely going to have to go on the lips. And then this thing here, the Dewy Glow Balm. Aritzia is a really nice brand. I've had some lovely, beautiful products from them, and that is probably a lovely, beautiful product. But does that belong in a makeup box? I don't feel like I've got my money's worth with this box. £12.99? No. I'm really peed off, to be honest. That is a load of crap. Yeah, so not good. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm just really upset with how bad that is, but that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.